Hey everyone, Kyle Lewis here from the Worship Keyboard Tutorial YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you one simple trick that you can use to fill in when the vocalists have a break or a held note. And we're going to use the song Good and Gracious King as our example. Now stick around to the end and I'll show you a bonus tip. Alright, let's get started. So I'm using the song Good and Gracious King because there are several places where the vocal line has a break or a held note. So let's look at the first one. I approach the throne of glory. Now there are 3 full beats of a break there. I approach the throne of glory. Now a lot of keyboard players will just kind of keep playing on that solid chord. I approach the throne of glory. But one thing that you can do when you have that vocal break is to pop up to the sus4 like this. I approach the throne of glory. It's subtle, but it adds enough variety to break up that steady sound. And that can work for every chord where there's a vocal break. It works on the D chord. It works on the B minor chord. And it works on the A chord. So let's hear that first part with the vocal breaks. I approach the throne of glory. Nothing in my hands I bring, but the promise of acceptance from a good and gracious King. Now here's a bonus tip. When you get to the chorus, there's a 4 chord, G. So one thing that I do sometimes when I get to that 4 chord is I do a double suspension. So instead of just moving that 3rd up to the 4th, I'm going to move the root also up to that 2nd, like this. So I'm moving both the 3rd and that root up to the 4th and up to that 2nd degree. So let's hear that in context of this song. 'Cause you deserve the greater glory. And there you have some simple fills for the song Good and Gracious King. Well, I hope you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit that little notification bell so that you can be aware of future videos. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and before you sign off, make sure to check out some of these other videos. We'll see you next time. Bye.